What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Matt's Saloon Drinks. I'm your host, Matt, where we sit down behind the bar, talk about spirits, talk about history, talk about cocktails, and then we have a little fun. Let's go. Ho, ho, ho. Happy holidays. Welcome to another fun, awesome episode of Matt's Saloon Drinks. Hope you guys are going to have a great one. Got in front of me some Bird Dog Gingerbread Whiskey. This takes me back from when my mom made gingerbread cookies back in the day. You know, during the holidays, she's always baking, she's always in the kitchen. Not always in the kitchen, but you know, she was always making treats for my brother and I. But, anyways, we'll stop reminiscing in the past. I will give you guys my taste and my notes. And if you guys, I've done Bird Dog before, so I'm going to do a quick, fast history for y'all right here about Bird Dog. Welcome. Okay, let's get with the taste and notes on this, and we're going to have a freaking awesome holiday cocktail coming up to you guys. Okay, oh yeah, cracked, fresh, wide open. I love that sound. I love that sound. Yes. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, families out there, you know, besides leaving milk out for Santa, why don't you guys leave out some whiskey? Just you know, just an idea. You're welcome. All right. Gingerbread, ginger. Oh my God. It smells like a gingerbread cookie. That literally smells like a gingerbread cookie. Oh my God. Ginger and whiskey. If this was left out for me for you know, Christmas night, I'd be really happy. Okay, let's go with the taste. Yeah, gingerbread and whiskey right there. Oh my God. Taste. Bird Dog, you did it again. That tastes like a gingerbread cookie with a little bit of hint of whiskey at the very end. Wow. That's so good. That's really good, actually. I mean, you got the gingerbread there. You got the a little bit of sugar flavoring there. Then you got the whiskey with a little bit of the hint of the charcoal barrel note, like a little bit of vanilla note there, maybe. Let's do this again. Oh my God. It gets better each time. Like, I could drink this neat all night long. It's 70 proof, gingerbread flavored whiskey. So good. I love the labeling. It's green. It's got the dog on it and the snow. I mean, it's got the little gingerbread house on it. I mean, it's got everything. I love it. I love it for the holidays. If you don't have this in your liquor cabinet about holidays, I don't know why not, because it's good. It's really good. You know, have guests, families, and friends and guests come over. Let them try this, because I like it a lot. Oh my. Oh my God. I'm gonna give me another bottle before the season's over, because I'm sure this is going to be limited around, for the season. So, that's amazing. There's another thing I want to do. Let's do the joke before we get into this fun cocktail. And for it being the holidays, the season, we're going to do a Christmas one. Yes. Okay. Number one. What do you call a broke Santa? Saint Nicholas. That's funny. I like it. I like that one. It was cool. I like it. It was small, smart, but clever. I like it. What do you call a obnoxious reindeer? Rudolph. I like that one. That was good. One more, then we're done. I promise you. One more, then we're done. How do you know Arnold Schwarzenegger is waiting in line with you on Black Friday? He's Jingle all the way. Gotta give a shout out to Arnold, man. One of the greats. Okay. Enough jokes. One more. Let's do one more. One more. I'm loving this. I don't know if you all are, but I'm loving this, okay? Okay. Why is Christmas just like a day at the office? You do all the work, and the fat guy with the suit gets all the credit. Some of y'all can relate to that. Alright, that's the last one. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go with the cocktail. Ready for this? I am. I hope you are. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Here we go. Got a really fun, awesome, kick-ass cocktail for y'all. Okay, so you see in front of me, you might know what I'm going to be doing. Maybe not. But I'm going to light you all. Because this is coming on my head with, this is going to be a classic mule with my spin on it. So, a copper cup, because I want you guys to see the end results with this. We're going to do a glass. So first off, this is going to be a stir. So we'll put all kinds of good ice in the bottom. Get that glass nice and chill. Well, another more. There we go. There we go. Ooh, boy. Okay, we're going to do 2 ounces of Bird Dog whiskey. Oh, I love that sound. Cork, baby, cork. That's the way to go. Okay. Wait a minute. It's the holidays. Another ounce. 1 more ounce. So a total of 3 ounces. Total of 3 ounces. There we go. With some Bird Dog gingerbread whiskey. God, I love this stuff. God, I love it. 2, apple cider. Because I have a lot of it. I need to use it. But also, it goes with this theme, and it smells really good, and it tastes really good. So it's going to go along with this cocktail. 1 ounce of apple cider. There we go. And one of the other main ingredients, we got some ginger beer. We're going to use half of this can. Oh yes, half of this can. There we go. I don't have mint leaves, mint bitters from the Fee Brothers. We're going to do nice good 2 to 3 hard dashes of mint bitters. Cherry syrup. We're going to do 1 ounce of cherry syrup. Boom. Last but not least, I made ginger syrup not too long ago. So 1 ounce of ginger syrup, because we're going to keep that ginger going. 1 ounce of ginger syrup. Voila. So this is your not so average mule. We're going to stir this bad boy up. Oh yeah, daddy. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to top it off with some Whip Shop Buck infused whipped cream. It's the holidays. You gotta have some whipped cream. Woo Ooh-wee, that's what I'm talking about. And some cinnamon. Fire, fire, fire. Fire, fire, fire. Fire, fire, fire. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. Oh, that smells good. That cinnamon burn smell. Oh my God, amazing. Amazing. Okay. I'm gonna call this the Ginger Holiday Cocktail. Cheers. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so good. That's amazing. My God. Try this. I dare you. This combo is the best holiday cocktail that you can make at your party, at your family's party. Get together. Oh my God. You make a gallon of this and oh my God, people will not be disappointed. I tell you that much right now. This is amazing. What a great meal. The Ginger Holiday Meal right here. Oh my God, so good. Can't go wrong. Happy holidays to y'all. I love y'all. Cheers to y'all. Have a good one. And this is the one of many coming to you guys for the holidays. Love y'all.